In this video, we'll explain the assembly language in 99 seconds, and after it, you'll write codes to make your own CPUs. It's like that freaking ex who did teach you valuable life lessons. But what's even assembly? You can say it's kind of the language that system understands. You can't code in Java or C# and expect to run it because your CPU doesn't get it, honey. So assembly comes here and translates these languages for transistors. There are different types of assembly. For example, x64 or x86. It's old and used for Linux and Windows. Its instruction set provides old and news. It's mainly used to write kernel, bootloader and old school DOS apps. Next one is ARM. Everything produced in tablets and phones comes from this. It has reduced instruction set computer philosophy, or known as RISC. It means fast and practical orders. If you see your phone batteries don't blow up after watching that Pick Miguel TikToks, it's because of this.
No, I promise I'm nice. It's just how I talk.
The fuck?
By the way, if you die for coding speedruns, you must subscribe to CoreRush. The other one is MIPS. It's used in old gaming consoles or colleges. A bit outdated. Last one comes down to this, RISC-V. It's the most modern assembly, an open source language that can run in a toy's microcontroller or modern computers. Of course, there are a few more like PowerPC, which is used for Mac, or a Spark, which is used for satellites. Above all, it can provide a good environment for hackers. So maybe it's the reason of those programming nightmares. It also has done its job in tech war.